Hey guys, and welcome to Mommy and Decorate. On today's video, I will be organizing underneath my kitchen sink. I will be cleaning up and tidying up my living room, and I will be cleaning my bathroom. If you are new here, my name is Ryan Michelle, and thank you so much for stopping by. So right now I'm just going to organize underneath my sink. I did purchase some new bins from Dollar Tree, the clear ones, and so far so good. They are working pretty well and they are pretty sturdy, and I think they're really good quality, especially to come from Dollar Tree.
Cause I don't care as long as you're there, as long as you're there. Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. We can do it all night. We can do it all night. Baby, won't you?
Underneath my sink, I also store my hair products because I do wash everyone's hair in the sink, so it's just easier for me to get to. I will be throwing out a whole bunch of bottles that were pretty empty, so I just want to make the space nice, clean, and neat.
Keep missing you the days that you don't see me. Like searching for a heart inside of my sheet. Sitting here forever, won't you hold me?
In my videos, you can always count on seeing my kids. Somebody is going to be in the video. This is my 6-year-old Travis Jr., and he was singing to me all of his songs from school.
Cause I don't care as long as you're there, as long as you're there. Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. We can do it all night. We can do it all night. Baby, won't you hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. The closer I get, the further you go. I wanna know, I wanna know.
So I just wanted to give a quick shout out to all of my loyal and returning subscribers. Thank y'all so much for coming back every Monday and Friday and watching my videos. I really appreciate y'all. And if you are new here, please join the family by hitting that subscribe button. I am also doing a giveaway. Today is the last day to enter, so make sure you head over to my Instagram and enter the giveaway.
Second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. We can do it all night. We can do it all night. Baby, won't you hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote upon me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt
So now I will be tidying up my living room, and of course, Lauren will be joining me.
treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you.
So Lauren just started doing this little thing where she'll hand me something and I'll take it, and if I don't give it right back, she'll scream. You can see she starts following me to hand it back to me, the phone.
Take me on a trip. Always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no
this is your first time here, I just want to let you know that I am a military wife, I'm a stay-at-home mom of 4, and on my channel I upload cleaning, organization, and home decor videos.
Baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the good vibes. If you kill them, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you switch up the vibe.
So this rug gets pretty filthy. Lauren is the only child that eats in here, but she likes to throw all of her food off of her tray and it lands right here on this rug. So you will see me going over with the vacuum cleaner probably about 3 to 4 times. So I had to stop and take a break to feed Lauren. She wasn't a big fan of the food that I fed her. It was just mashed potatoes and Salisbury steak, but it was a no for her. So I know I'm not the only one whose countertop looks like this, and majority of it is all of my stuff.
Sorry if I'm making this hard. Now I'm just wondering where we are. I don't wanna face the consequences, but baby, yeah, you know I hate second guessing. I'm just wondering where we are. Drifting into space, keep driving on the freeway. Baby, let me know what you are thinking. Baby, let me know what you are thinking. Overthinking out there in the clouds, drifting on and there for hours.
So lately I've been using a Toddy bowl cleaner that I purchased from Marshall's. Let me know in the comment section, what do you use to clean your bathroom?
Coming down, never coming down. Look at me the way you do. Keep giving myself into you. You know that I hate this part.
I really cannot stand to see toys in the bathroom. And when my husband has bath time duty, he lets the boys bring the entire toy box in the bathroom.
Surprised we ever got this far. Drifting into space, keep driving on the freeway. Baby, let me know what you were thinking. Baby, let me know what you were thinking. Overthinking out there in the clouds, drifting on and on and then for hours.
So I purchased some Family Dollar disinfectant wipes, and I honestly forgot about them. So I decided to use them while I clean my bathroom.
Down, never coming down. Baby, how did we ever come this way? I know you don't want to stay. Dreaming out in space, keep rushing down the highway. Keep yourself busy on the Sundays. You keep doing you, I do it my way. Overthinking out there in the clouds, drifting on and then for hours. Lately I've been trying to figure out, wonder if you're ever coming down, ever coming down. Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, I wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. Finally, finally, I wanna be free. Finally, finally. I always daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising, I'm soaring above it.
If you have not watched my clean and decorate my bathroom with me, make sure you check that video out.
I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. Higher to a bird. You, I'm rising.
you are still here with me right now, I just want to thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like this video, leave me a comment, let me know what was your favorite part about this video. And I just got out of the shower and I am about to get in the bed. I do wear contacts, so that is what I'm doing to my eyes, taking them out. And I will see you guys back on Monday. Thank you for watching.
Imagine us there.